Wow. This one still has the bomb sight too.
Yeah.
It's open Cockpit Day here at Lyon's Air Museum next to the John Wayne Airport. And the cockpit that is open is the Fuddy Duddy, a B-17. Yeah, it's funny. In movies, you look at B-17s, you think what an awesome large airplane. And then you're inside the airplane, and it's like, God, it's such a tiny, narrow aircraft. I mean, for a person used to airliners, present-day airliners, yeah, this is a little cramped for my taste. I've actually flown in B-17s a couple of times for fun, and yeah, it takes a little getting used to. My favorite spot on the B-17 is the bombardier position. Unfortunately, to get to the bombardier position, there is just a narrow pathway, and you actually drop down from the cockpit between the pilot and co-pilot and sort of crawl your way over to the bombardier position. Once you're there, there's plenty of room, but getting there is quite interesting. At the end of our little tour on the B-17, you actually exit through a little hatch in the nose. It's actually the emergency escape hatch, which I can't imagine how you would use that thing in an emergency. It's so tiny and you're in such a narrow little pathway. It's amazing the people you meet at events like this. I actually met a guy named Mark who was actually in Catch-22. He actually flew one of the B-25s in that movie, the Dumbo. And he was also a pilot of B-24 and B-17 water bombers, which, yeah, I think it's pretty awesome. He showed me some pictures of his days in firebombing, so pretty awesome. The guy needs to write a book. Such an awesome person.